have you ever wondered if the foods in your pantry could influence your health, particularly when it comes to reducing your risk of cancer? What if I told you that simple swaps in your everyday cooking ingredients could enhance your well-being and even boost your body's defenses? In today's video, we'll explore Transform Your Pantry 10 anti-cancer swaps you can make today. Stay tuned and you might find yourself inspired to make these easy, powerful changes in your kitchen. Let's jump right in. Our first swap is one that's super popular and incredibly versatile. White rice is a staple in many kitchens, but did you know that it's not the most nutritious option? Instead, try swapping white rice for quinoa. Why? Well, quinoa is a nutrient powerhouse. It's packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants that can help combat cancer. Cooking it is easy. Just prepare quinoa in vegetable broth for an extra flavor boost. Use it as a base for salads, Buddha bowls, or as a side dish. You'll not only feel good about the swap, but your taste buds will thank you too. Next up, let's talk about sweeteners. Rather than reaching for white sugar, try using raw honey or pure maple syrup. These alternatives not only provide sweetness, but also come loaded with antioxidants. They've also got a lower glycemic index, helping to regulate your blood sugar levels. When baking, you can substitute sugar with about 3/4 of the amount of honey or syrup. Just remember to reduce the other liquids in your recipe slightly. It's a perfect way to enjoy your treats while benefiting your health. Now, let's make a big switch in your cooking oils. Ditch the vegetable oils and opt for olive oil or avocado oil instead. Both of these oils are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation in the body, a significant factor linked to cancer. Olive oil is great for salad dressings and light sautéing, while avocado oil is excellent for high-heat cooking due to its high smoke point. Not only are you making your meals healthier, but you'll also be enhancing flavors. Here's another essential swap. Instead of ground beef, why not try lentils or chickpeas? These legumes are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and tons of nutrients that may protect against various cancers. You can use lentils in chili tacos or even salads. They can also be blended into patties for a vegetarian burger option. Trust me, your family won't even miss the beef. Next, let's tackle flours. Instead of white flour, choose whole wheat or almond flour. Whole grain flours contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals than their white counterparts, making them the healthier choice. You can substitute whole wheat flour in most recipes, and for those looking for gluten-free options, almond flour is an excellent alternative. It adds a delightful nutty flavor as well. Let's switch gears to beverages. Instead of soda, choose sparkling water infused with fresh fruit. Sparkling water is calorie-free and can significantly cut down your sugar intake. Simply add slices of citrus fruits, berries, or even cucumber for a refreshing burst of flavor. This tasty drink not only quenches your thirst, but helps you stay healthy too. Feeling snacky? Instead of reaching for those processed snacks, go for a handful of nuts and seeds. They are full of healthy fats, fiber, and beneficial phytonutrients that are linked to cancer protection. Keep a jar on hand for a quick and nutritious snack. Choosing unsalted varieties will help keep salt intake low while providing fuel for your body. Moving on, let's talk about tomato products. Instead of canned tomato sauce, use fresh tomatoes or make your own sauce. Fresh tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a lower risk of certain cancers. It's simple. Just sauté some onions and garlic, add fresh tomatoes, and let it simmer for a delicious homemade sauce. Store leftovers in the fridge or freezer for later use. When it comes to desserts, swap ice cream for a creamy frozen banana ice cream. This dairy-free alternative is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make, and it's packed with potassium. Blend frozen bananas with a splash of almond milk, and you can even add cocoa powder or peanut butter for extra flavor. It's a guilt-free treat that the whole family will love. Finally, let's address condiments. Instead of relying on processed versions, make your own. Store-bought condiments can be high in sugar and unhealthy additives. Making homemade versions allows you to control the ingredients. For a quick salad dressing, mix olive oil, vinegar, garlic, and your favorite herbs. It's fresh, flavorful, and health-conscious. Transforming your pantry doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these 10 simple ingredient swaps, you can take meaningful steps towards better health and cancer prevention. Start with 1 or 2 changes and gradually incorporate more into your meals. Remember, every small change adds up to a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and share your favorite pantry swaps in the comments below. Together, we can create a healthier community.